We are back with the second segment with Uche Ogbuagu, the Special Assistant to Rochas, Senior Special Assistant to Governor Rochas, Okorocha of Imo State, Nigeria. Please, let's know what you want to tell the Nigerians and the Igbo people in New Jersey and across the United States and across the world, because Igbo Basics goes across the world.
All right, thank you so much, Igbo Basics. Yeah, like I did say about the achievements of the governor and the government of Imo State. In this present dispensation, we've been able to do a whole lot. I was talking about environmental sanitation. The public health system has been improved. A whole lot has been done to make sure that Owerri, Okigwe, and Olo, the cities are clean and very healthy. The Entraco is working, and presently the task force of Entraco is being spearheaded by Prince Eze Madumere, who is the chief of staff of the state. You can imagine that kind of humility, very high sense of humility.
What is Entraco? Sorry.
Entraco is environmental and transportation. No, it is not a company. It is a parastatal, of the state, Entraco. Okay, so the governor of Imo State, through the chief of staff, Prince Eze Madumere, is now spearheading everything about the task force, ensuring that Owerri, Olo, and Okigwe cities are kept clean, and people are educated and enlightened on how to support the government in keeping the cities clean. In the area of health, His Excellency the Governor of Imo State has a whole lot of plans. As we speak, some hospitals are springing up in virtually all the nooks and crannies of Imo State. We also have the health at your doorstep as another project whereby you can stay at the comfort of your home, and at the comfort of your home you can make a call, and the health people will come and pick you, give you the first aid, and all these things are free of charge. You can imagine, education is free, health is free, and of course security is assured. I've also been able to tell you about the community government thing. And then you come into Owerri now, you'll be able to find a whole lot of infrastructural developments. You see the team or Dumego Juku Center built within months. You see the Heroes Square. You see the ICAPS. You see the College of Advanced Studies. You see the Uguta Wonder Lake, which has been renamed Uguta Lake of Treasure. It used to be a wonder lake in those days because a whole lot of mango we are going on. It was only seen on the internet, and physically nothing was there. But today you visit Uguta and you will marvel. You will also be marveled at the extent of work that has been done to Imo Concord Hotel, with extension that has been refurbished, infusing sanity, dignifying the tourism industry of Imo State. His Excellency has really done a whole lot. Yes, and in the transport sector, His Excellency the Governor of Imo State has introduced the Imo City transport system. It's just the way it is in the Western world. I cannot remember any aspect of the economy that has not been touched by this amiable governor of ours. The governor that has really touched lives, the governor who came on board and said he's not going to take any security vote. What is really surprising a whole lot of people, that security vote that you are not supposed to retire, you are not answerable to anybody about, he said let this money go to the free education project. It goes a long way showing how selfless he is. His Excellency the Governor has really come to take Igbo to the next level. And I think all what you need to do as an Igbo man, is to pray for him, because he's a rare gem. This is one man who believes in the Igbo cause, and that brings me to the dignity of an Igbo man. Some 2 weeks ago, I heard about one of the prominent Igbo sons from Anambra State, Chief Ifeanyi Uba, the chairman of Capital Oil and Gas Industries Limited. He is an eminent son of Igbo land. He is a young man who has really made name for himself, who came and carved a niche for himself, touched lives. Somebody who has contributed immensely to the economic growth of Igbo land and Nigeria in general. Ifeanyi Uba is very humble. You cannot come close to him without wanting to come again and again and again. It doesn't matter where you come from, how you came, to knowing him, but once he sees you, he will give you a reason to come again. Ifeanyi Uba, if not for business, his inclination in the business world, one will pray that this man should go into politics, because these are the kind of people we need in the polity of the nation. That he was just accused of one unfounded thing, and he was invited. And his very high sense of humility, he honored the invitation. To the utmost dismay of everybody, the young Igbo business mogul was detained unlawfully for 9 to 10 days without granting bail. He was refused bail. People came to bail him. The press, so many concerned citizens of Nigeria, especially from Igbo extraction, we are agitated, and nothing was done about it. This is a slap on the Igbos. Ndị Igbo, anyị na-eme otu a, ebe ka anyị na-eche. It is also a surprise that while this nonsense was going on, why this humiliation was going on, some Igbo sons were also bent on seeing this young man in detention continuously. Your own brother. Onye kpọọ ya mkpọkọrọ, agbata obi onye were ya kpọrọ ahịhịa. Oge erule mgbe ndị Igbo ga-aghọtawa na anyị niile wụ ofu. Ọwụ na ihe a mere onye ugwu, ma ọ mee onye ofe mmanụ, ma ọ wụ ndị Niger Delta, onwe onye ga-ekwe ka ụdị ihe ahụ mee. Ọ naanị Ifeanyi Uba na-eme ụdị biznes ahụ. Ọ naanị ya nwa ka a kpọrọ ka ọ bịa kọwaa ụfọdụ ihe ndị ha si na odo ha anya, mana ọ ihe doro anya, mana odo ha anya, ya wụrụ nkata nwanne so ndị ama kpaa ka ejide nwanne ya. Onye ọbụla eso taa, onye ọbụla mepere ndị ọjọọ ụzọ ka ha bata bịa megbuo nwanne ya, onwe ya ka ọ na-emegbu. Adị nke eziokwu na onye ọbụla mere ka aha ndị Igbo na-akpụ n'ala na-egbu onwe ya, onye ahụ ahụghị ndị Igbo n'anya, onye ahụ ahụghị obodo ya n'anya, onye ahụ achọghị ka Igbo gaa n'ihu. Anyị nwere Ifeanyi Uba ole? Anyị nwere Capital Oil ole? Anyị ga-ejila ofu nke anyị nwere enwe chọọ imechu ihu, lee ihe o mere na ihe na o meghị ebo ya. Onye Chukwu gọzi mmadụ a na-akọcha ya. Ana m ekwu ya n'okwu nke anyị ugbu a ka ndị amaghara ịma, maka ụdị ihe a na-eme m ihere. Nke mere na Septemba wụ Colonel ihe a na-achọ, onye nwe Integrated Oil, akpọkwa ya chikwota ahụ, rute ya pọt n'ihu. Ọktoba awụrụ nke Ifeanyi Uba, onye ma onye nke ya ga-awụ na Nọvemba. Ọ dịghị mma. Ọ dị mma ka ụdị ihe a mee, ndị Igbo niile apụtasị mba anyị ekweghị. Ụdị dimkpa ahụ otu ahụ nwere ihe niile o nwere, ọwa onye ga-agba n'ọsọ. Ihe a na-eji asị mmadụ ngwa bịa nọrọ na detenshọn, ọkwa ma ele anya onye ahụ awụrụ ofeke na onwe onye ga-ekwuchite ọnụ ya, ma ọ bụ na onye ahụ enweghị agba, onwekwana ihe a ga-ejide aka. A na-ebu na-asịrị nwa amadi ya bịara bịa eze oku, ihe wa ajụcha ya ajụjụ asị ya ngwa ala onwe ihe ọzọ anyị chọrọ ebe ị nọ, anyị ga-abịa jụọ gị. Mana nke asị ya gaa nọ n'azụ ebe ahụ, abịakwa n'ụlọ ikpe asị na aga enye ya bel, aka onye ụlọ nọrọ ya. Anyị amatakwala ebe mmiri si baa n'opi ụgbọgụ, mana ya emekwala ọzọ. 2015 ụmụ mmadụ kwo na-eti ibe ha unyi n'ihu. Ụnụ ahụ bụ onye na-aplanụ 2015 nwụọ na 2013. Onye ọbụla Chukwu gọzi mmadụ apụghị ịkọcha ihe ọbụla ọ sị ga-eme. Chukwu gọzie gị ọ gọziela gị ka anyị ghara na iji aka na-egburite onwe anyị. Unu ahụla otu esi tụọ vootu n'ala Imo. Nke awụ nke mbụ na mbụ n'obodo n'ala isi ojii na ndị mmadụ ga-asị onye a ka anyị chọrọ. Ndị na-eke ego a na-eke, ndị mmadụ atụọ vootu nọrọ sị na a ga-anọ ka a gụọ vootu, agụ onye na-awụ nke ha mere, ha sị mba na ọwụ ihe a ka anyị chọrọ, agụgharịa ya ha sị nọ nke ahụ ka anyị chọrọ. O gosila n'eziokwu na ndị mmadụ amụtala ihe. Otu onye zara Owerri ashaala anya, ndị Igbo ashaala anya. Ya wụ ihe ọbụla ị na-emekọ, ma ụdị biznes ị na-eme, ma otu isi agwa ndị mmadụ okwu, ma otu akpụkpara agwa gị dị, mara na o nwere ndị na-ele gị. Maka echi mgbe ị ga-ama posta na o nwere ihe ị chọrọ ịzọ, asatara gị onye ewu. Anọkwala bịa wụrụ onye ga na-ete onye na-enwe onye aka ya dị ọcha gị ite ya unyi n'ihu nche na ndị Igbo amaghị. So bikonu, onye mere eme ya gbaghara, onye mere eme emekwala ọzọ. Ọtụtụ na o nwere ihe na-esere gị na nwanne gị, anyị ga-apụta na-eji bịa saa akwa iyi n'ime ka ndị ama kọwara anyị aka. Ndị ugwu nọ n'otu, ndị ofe mmanụ nọ n'otu, ndị Niger Delta nọ n'otu, ya wụrụ ndị Igbo. Ọ dịkwa egwu. A chọrọ ka onye Igbo wụrụ onye isi ala, ka onye Igbo wụrụ onye isi ala ọwa aka ihe awụ n'ụkwụ nna ma ji agụ ụmụ ahịa. So bikonu. So I want to thank all of you. I want to thank the Igbo Nation. I want to thank all the Southeastern governors. You are doing wonderfully well. I also want to thank His Excellency the President Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, Federal Republic of Nigeria, Chief Goodluck Bele Zikiwe Jonathan. You are our brother, and I want to believe you've not forgotten the southeast zone of Nigeria, where we have dilapidated federal roads, as if we don't belong to the same nation. Please, let something be done. If you were the same president we voted for, we gave our love, we gave everything to make sure you went there. Please, see what you can do. At least show us that you care. The roads from Enugu to Abia, to Imo to Abia, down to River State, those roads are nothing to write home about. In fact, in the entire nation of Nigeria, I think it is in the southeastern zone that you have the worst set of dilapidated roads. And it does not show that Mr. President still remembers that we have so much in stock for him. So I want to thank all the political bigwigs, all the political stalwarts, all the political parties. Nigeria is one, and not until we decide to go separate ways. Let us see ourselves as one entity. And what is good for the goose is also good for the gender. So let us try as much as possible to move the nation forward as one. And the restive youths, please, let us resort to dialogue, because restiveness will not take us anywhere. I want to thank the Igbo basics. I want to thank His Excellency the Governor of Imo State, the People's Governor, who is taking Imo to the next level, who within 1.5 years has really shown that he is a prayer answered. I want to thank him for giving me an opportunity to serve my state, because if I tell you I'm not enjoying it, I'm lying. I'm enjoying it because I know my position as the SSA on entertainment and propaganda management will not be forgotten in a hurry. And I want to welcome all the Imo and Igbo sons and daughters back home this Christmas. Please, Anobalana Eji Achua for 2013. Come home. Imo is better now. Igbo land is the best, and of course that is the only place we can call our own. Because ono lota Christmas afa unu jikwana anya unu hụrụ onwe ihe ọbụla m kwuru ebe unu lọtara n'ala Igbo unu ahụghị, please confront us and I will resign. Remember, Uche Ogbuagu used to be your own person before the appointment, and this particular political whatever is not meant to define me. I am to define it. So please, I want to promise you that the same Uche Ogbuagu you used to know, for my truthfulness, I am still the same. I'm not like the conventional politicians who will come and tell you A when the answer is B. So I want to thank you for an opportunity. God bless you. I'll see you at the other side of the story.
All right. With Uche Ogbuagu in New Jersey at Igbo Basic Studios. God bless America, God bless Nigeria, and God bless Imo State. I can